Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the simple method of saving YouTube Shorts in playlists. The steps are same for both the iOS and Android devices. Firstly, if you want to save the shorts to the playlist on your phone, make sure your YouTube is fully updated. You can do that by going over to the App Store or Play Store and just check if you have the latest version of YouTube installed. After that, open the YouTube app and click on Shorts. And then when you find a short that you want to save to the playlist, all you have to do is tap on those three dots in the top right corner and you will see this menu pop up. Now click on this Save to Playlist option. Now this is going to open up with all the playlists you have and you can just select a playlist in which you want to save your YouTube short. Here I only have Watch Later playlist, so I'm going to save it here. Simply tap on New Playlist button on the top right corner and then you will be able to create a new playlist. In order to find those playlists and shorts, click on Use section at the bottom right corner and then click on View All button, which is next to the playlist section. And here you will find all of your playlists that you have created. And by following these simple steps, you will be able to save YouTube Shorts in playlist. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.